Hi guys, I'm Alex, and in this quick video I will show you how to replace the BIOS battery of this 10 years old Inspiron 1564 laptop with a i3 or i5 or whatever CPU. It's very easy. First we remove the battery, and now we remove these 3 screws. 1, 2 and 3, and now you can grab here. Voila! Now here's the battery. So use another screwdriver or something and flip. Oops. And now a new CR2032 battery. Plug in. Voila! Here you can see the DDR3 RAM. You can replace them with, I think maximum is 16 gigabytes, but there's different. There are different types of mainboards. So take a look at kingston.com or something, and here you can find the 2.5-inch SATA disk. You can replace it with a solid state disk. So now back with the cover. 1, 2, 3. Plug in the battery. Voila! And now you can see my office. Power on. Press F2, the F2 key, normally the F2 key, and go to setup. Ah, yes, he said checksum bad. F2 setup. So, and now you can see the time is 000. You can use this key and we can set it to in Germany 13 and press ding, and that's it, and go to the next date. It's today 1, and what time is it? 2021. So that's it. You can check also if the boot is correct. You can select and change the boot device, Toshiba, and you can check everything is correct and go to exit saving, and that's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.